Okay, good afternoon. Okay, now we're looking at the Audnzd on a H4 time frame. So when we're looking at this pair, we can see that this pair started all the way from here, and it came all the way up. And then from this point, it shot down, and here it started consolidating. So now this pair has been on consolidation for a long time. But when we look at it now, you can see that it is showing some signs that it wants to break from this consolidation zone. Okay, so let's first of all see. We'll use the harmonic patterns, but in this case, the pattern that is there is the head and shoulders pattern. The head and shoulders pattern. We'll use the head and shoulders pattern. You see? Okay, this is one shoulder. This is a shoulder here. Shoulder. That's a left shoulder. And then we have got the head. This is the head right here. That's the head. Then we have the right shoulder. Okay, this is a right shoulder here. That's a right shoulder there. Okay, so as you can see, this triangle here, from here it comes all the way here. Okay, that's the left shoulder. And then this one here, it forms also a triangle here, with this part a little bit longer than the others. So this one will be a head. And then you come here, that's another triangle there. So this is a right shoulder. Okay, so let's see now with the trendline strategy. Okay, if we apply the trendline strategy and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, there is our trendline there. Okay, as you see, perfect. So this is our trend line going all the way here. So as you can see, here on this right shoulder, we have got this here, the bearish engulfing candles. And then from these bearish engulfing candles, the market came here, and then it shot down here, touched the trend line, and then with the next bar, it made a successful breach. So it breached the trend line. So, and then it closed below the trend line. So now, when we look at this, we can see that this market is showing signs of breaking down, breaking all the way down now to be bearish. Okay, so now we use the resistance level, because when it breaks there, the next resistance level will be here. Okay, so this level here, this market will come here. This is the level of resistance. This is the level of resistance on this line here. Okay, so if it's successful breaches, if it successful comes down, follows this analysis, so we will have this market coming all the way down until the first take profit. That will be here, because here we've got the trend line, and then the horizontal line, which is on the resistance level, meeting on this place. So this area here, where these two lines meet, it is called an area of confluence. So usually the market will take some time to break through an area of confluence, especially if there are no economic news. When it reaches an area like this, it will start again to consolidate. So when it reaches here, there is a big possibility that it might start consolidating again until it breaks out again. So, okay. So let's see. Let's see like how it's going to happen with this one. Put our triangle, rectangle there. So up to here. And starting from here, we're looking at roughly, if it respects this analysis, this market, we're looking at plus or minus 70 pip more.